My name's Kristofer Erickson, and I'm a professor in social data science in the School of Law at the University of Glasgow. And I'm leading this new course called Technology Regulation Maker Lab. The idea behind the Maker Lab is that it's kind of like a hackathon, and we've run several hackathons. We really enjoyed that format, so we thought it'd be really cool to build it into a course that takes place over a whole semester. So in the Maker Lab format, students will be presented with a challenge task, and over the course of several weeks, they will develop prototypes which respond to that challenge task, and they'll try, building software, making something that allows us to reflect on some of the questions from the law and regulation of technology. This is different from other courses because it has a large practical element. Students are going to be asked to build something on their own, to develop software. They're not required to have technological expertise before taking the course, and we're going to supply technological help and assistance. And we're going to be using a lot of off-the-shelf solutions and bits and pieces to help achieve what we want to do. But it's a very creative course, and students are really free to imagine whatever it is that they want to build within the constraints of the challenge task. This year's challenge task is going to be working with large language models. And this already raises all kinds of issues with regard to copyright and intellectual property. And furthermore, we're going to be inviting students to build prototypes which use retrieval augmented generation, which essentially just means feeding more data into a large language model to improve it and help it make better decisions. But where are students going to get those data from? And will those data be protected by copyright or other intellectual property rights? And what kinds of legal questions will those data raise? We think this course is going to help students gain skills in two areas. The first is in technology and technological skills that they'll learn by building these prototypes and working with the technology in a hands-on way. And the second set of skills relates to translating some of their legal knowledge to an emerging technological area and reflecting on how those two things interact. So we're really excited to be trying out this new format in terms of teaching because it's an experiential kind of learning and students are going to be given a lot of freedom in terms of what they do. I think this course is really innovative inside the UK. I think it's going to introduce students to new ideas and new possibilities for what they maybe consider doing when they graduate. And it's going to help bridge this connection between technology and law in a real practical and hands-on way.